Namaste, Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English YouTube channel. We all want to have beautiful, healthy, black, long hair. And we do a lot of things to achieve this target. We use several chemical-based cosmetics because we think that this is something which is going to give us beautiful, healthy hair. But surprisingly, hair fall has become a major problem these days. And not just hair fall, thinning of hair is also one of such a problem which is creating a lot of stress and tension among people. But interesting thing is that with thinning of hair or with hair fall, we become stressed, and with stress and tension, our hair falls more and becomes more thin. So if you want to know such ways, such very simple ways through which we can stop this vicious cycle of hair fall and stress and hair fall and stress, do let me know at the comment section below. I will try to come up with a complete full-fledged video on this problem, that how to handle your increasing hair fall. Some very simple ways to cure and manage the problem of hair fall. But in today's video, I'm going to share one very simple, very simple trick with you to have healthy and strong hair. At least your thin hair would look thick if you do it regularly. So you keep on asking me, Acharya ji, your hair are very good, your hair are so long, so beautiful, so thick. What do you do for that? So I do it every time I wash my hair. So first thing is, make sure that your scalp is not dirty and you are cleaning your scalp and your hair at regular intervals. Now there are so many things which I want to share with you, which I will be sharing in the coming episodes. What are the replacements for shampoo? What are the replacements of using all the chemical-based cosmetics at your scalp and for your hair? I will be sharing all this with you if you want me to share. So write down at the comment box below if you want me to share all these things. But today I'm going to share a very simple, very simple way of making your thin hair look thick. So whenever you wash your hair, just after washing your hair, just clean your hair with towel. We are not using any dryer or any other thing. Just take your fingertips. So here you have nerve endings. So you should warm them a little, and just to give a soothing touch at your scalp. So warm your fingertips. When I say you have nerve endings here, all the neurological experts know it, that with these nerve endings, through these nerve endings we get signals, and these nerve endings are very important. And even those who practice acupressure or marm therapy, they know the importance of this. Yogis also know the importance of this because we perform mudras, we perform different hand gestures. Classical dance experts also know the importance of this. So just rub it gently. Now it has become a little warm. What I'm going to do is just take your fingertips and massage your head. So when I say massage, we're not going to rub it really harsh. Very mild massage at your entire scalp, and this is going to give you a very soothing effect at your scalp, and this is going to give thick texture to your thin hair. Now there must be a question which must be coming in your mind. Acharya ji, generally people say we should not comb our hair after hair wash. Absolutely, we also say that we should never comb our hair after hair wash. This is not combing, this is giving gharshan. As you all know about Bharat Yoga's Gharshan Kriya, which has healed millions of people throughout the world, and it is also part of that gharshan. So we are just giving a very soothing gharshan, very soothing massage with our tips of our fingers at our scalp. No harsh massage, no damaging your scalp, no damaging your hair. It is nothing at all like combing your hair. But it has to be done after your hair wash. So once your hair are completely washed, little wet, just give this massage at your entire head and leave it. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes. You will feel so good and so amazing, and your hair texture will start becoming thick from thin after repeating it for 5-6 times. So keep practicing it, and if you want to know 10 very simple ways to stop your hair fall or to permanently make your hair thick, do write it at the comment box below. I will try to come up with a video on that. Stay happy, stay healthy. हमारी सभी वीडियोस को हिंदी में देखने के लिए भारत योगा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हमारे डिस्कोर्सेज को, सेशंस को देखने के लिए भारत योगा डिस्कोर्सेज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. And to continue watching our videos in English, stay here at Bharat Yoga English. If you have any other question, any other query in your mind regarding your health, regarding yoga, regarding diet, regarding lifestyle, and regarding Indian culture or Sanatan Sanskriti, do not hesitate to send us your questions. We'll try to come up with a video on that. If you want to be a part of this mission of Bharat Yoga and Mokshaitan Yoga Sansthan, serving humanity since 1973, be a part of it by sharing these videos, sharing this ancient wisdom with your friends and family. Let's make this world a better place with Bharat Yoga. Lots of love, light and blessings for all of you. Stay happy, stay cheerful. Hari Om.